Hey guys, it's Multiverse Citron here. Good morning. I just wanted to touch upon a subject that has been kind of a hot button topic. And no, it's not a drama video. It's, well, I don't know, maybe not. But I have heard of a type of vlog channels called family vlog channels, or family related YouTube content or social media videos. I hear that's really sketchy. Yeah, I can understand that some kids are just don't really want to be a part of it, and their parents just make that their whole life. It's kind of toxic, in my opinion. Family channels, they're just, if I know I just said that it's toxic. However, there may be a better way to go about it. In my opinion, if you wanted to start a family vlog channel, basically just ask your kids if they want to do it, and ask them give them a little bit of creative freedom with it. Have them also be on board about it, and allow them to have a little bit of creative freedom with it. Yeah. So basically, share control, and also get consent from your children and other family members, if they're like a parent or something, or another a spouse. Yeah. So long story short, just make sure you do that, because if you start a family vlog channel and you don't get positive feedback, it's probably due to the fact that you guys are just causing so much stress for your children or family member. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video about that, and be a talking head for that. Also, real quick, I just wanted to let you guys know, after the last video, which was the Renaissance video, the Renaissance Fair video, I have started using some new intros and outros for my YouTube channel, and these are pictures that I got on. I had pictures of these that have been shown as the intros and outros. Most of you guys are gonna hate this, but I used AI to generate pictures of those. However, they were based off of pictures I already drew. And as you can see, the one with the Citron symbol is the intro. That is basically what is used as the emblem for my the main part of the channel. Anyway, well, that's about it. That's just I just wanted to give that information. That's about it. And remember, like and subscribe, and also remember, never give up, never back down.